Welcome to the channel Theological Life Hacks, where we combine theological wisdom with everyday life. Between work deadlines, family demands, and endless notifications, staying centered feels almost impossible. Yet, around 500 years ago, Saint Teresa of Avila mapped out a step-by-step guide on how to deal with stress. In this video, we'll explore her timeless tips alongside the empirical studies that confirm her thoughts. Her insights remain surprisingly relevant in our high-pressure world. So let's get started. We start with the question, who is Teresa of Avila? Teresa was born in 1515 in Spain and became one of Christianity's great spiritual teachers and a doctor of the Church. Saint Teresa of Avila was a Carmelite nun, a writer and a mystic who wrote masterpieces like Interior Castle and The Way of Perfection. Now you may ask, why does she know something about stress? Teresa faced illness, opposition, and conflicts within the organization. Through it all, she developed methods to stay centered, even when external pressures threatened her calm. Her practices were not only devotional, but they were also coping tools for anyone battling anxiety or stress. Now let's take a closer look at what she wrote. Let nothing disturb you. Let nothing frighten you. All things are passing away. God never changes. Patience obtains all things. Whoever has God lacks nothing. God alone suffices. I'd like to point out 3 tips for stress management and discuss it in more detail. Life hack number 1. Let nothing disturb you. Teresa's call to let nothing disturb you reminds us that we are expected to focus on important things. Additionally, it is an invitation to emotional resilience. Modern psychology might label this adaptive emotion regulation. Instead of pushing away stress, you acknowledge it and let it pass without losing your calm. It can help to notice the stressor and label the emotion, for example, stress or anxiety. After having done this, you may reflect upon it or pray for a solution. Studies, as Pargament and Cummings, found that faith-based coping, like short prayer breaks or scripture meditation, helps Christians to maintain stability in crisis. Even a 1-minute prayer can help you to return to your day with fresh perspectives. Life hack number 2. Patience obtains all things. Patience isn't passive waiting. It's active trust in the unfolding process. Teresa viewed patience as essential for spiritual growth. In psychological terms, we could call it distress tolerance or self-control. In our everyday life, we may learn to embrace delays as a part of progress. We can practice patience in small tasks, for instance, no smartphone for 10 minutes. To improve your motivation, you could journal 1 win each evening. According to studies like Schnitker and Emmons, Christian Practices like worship and communal prayer improve patience and well-being. If you want to improve that aspect, you can start small with small things. For instance, next time you hit a traffic jam or wait in line, you can remind yourself, this moment is part of my journey. This could help you to build calm confidence over time. Now let's turn to life hack number 3. God alone suffices. Saint Teresa's phrase, God alone suffices, isn't just a conclusion. It is a starting point. She invites us to reorder our priorities. Focus first on God and let everything else fall into its proper place. In her view, peace doesn't come from managing external chaos. It comes from anchoring ourselves in God. For instance, we can begin each day with putting God first, for example by praying. Furthermore, we may let our decisions flow from that centered place. Later on, if stress builds up again, we can go back to our first decision. Modern research supports this approach. For instance, Van Capellen and others found that Christians who begin their day with religious practice, like prayer or worship, report greater emotional stability and clarity throughout the day. By placing God first, we create a framework where stress loses its grip and priorities realign naturally. Summing up, we can repeat the 3 life hacks one more time. First, let nothing disturb you. Focus on the important things. Find the stressor, reflecting and praying as important factors. Life hack number 2. Patience obtains all things. We can use delays or the time while waiting as growth opportunities. Life hack number 3. God alone suffices. In other ways we may put it, begin with God, everything else finds its place. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, or you can share your experience in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, see you in the next video, and may the Lord bless you.